Hi everyone, welcome to Grow with Ayansh. Hope you all are doing good. As we all know that COVID vaccination has been started in India for 18 plus age group. So it's obvious that for new mommies and for mom to be, the first question which will cross your mind is whether you are eligible for the vaccination or not. So here we have come up with the facts and data mentioned on the different portals for the pregnant women and lactating mothers. We have covered the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Organization, manufacturers of Covaxin and Covishield, WHO, FIGO, and even the advice from the doctor. So this is the official website of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. They have mentioned in one of the FAQs that for pregnant and lactating women have not been part of any COVID-19 vaccine clinical trial so far. Therefore, women who are pregnant or not sure of their pregnancy and lactating women should not receive COVID-19 vaccine at this time. So in short, it's no from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Organization. Next one is the manufacturers of Covaxin. They have released the fact sheet where they have mentioned that if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you should not get the vaccine as the effect of the vaccine has not been studied in pregnant women and nursing mothers. Next one is the Serum Institute, who are the manufacturers of Covishield vaccine. They have released the fact sheet and there they have mentioned that for the vaccination, you may discuss your opinions with the healthcare provider. Next one is the WHO. This is the official website of WHO. Here they have mentioned that we don't have any specific reason to believe that there will be risk that would outweigh the benefits of vaccination for pregnant women. WHO has also mentioned that they recommend to continue the breastfeeding after vaccination for lactating mothers. Next one is FIGO. FIGO has also released a statement on vaccination for lactating mothers and pregnant women on 2nd March 2021, and there they have mentioned that they support the offering of COVID-19 vaccination to pregnant women and lactating mothers. So let's check what's the opinion of the doctor on the vaccination. Let's go ahead and meet Dr. Yamini Sudhavate on this.
Currently in India, COVID-19 vaccines are not offered to the pregnant women and to the breastfeeding women as they were excluded from the first, second and third phase trial of the COVID vaccines in India. Government of India is cautiously waiting for the adequate safety data. But according to me, the two vaccines, Covishield and Covaxins, which are available in India, do not contain live virus. They are non-replicating virus vaccines. FIGO also, that is International Federation of Gynecology and Obstetrics, also recommends that COVID-19 vaccination should be given to the pregnant woman and the breastfeeding woman. As in the USA, in the first week of February, 20,000 pregnant women had been vaccinated with no alarming signs reported. There is no known risk in giving the COVID-19 vaccination to the breastfeeding woman. The breastfeeding woman should be encouraged and counseled to continue the breastfeeding.
So finally, to conclude on this, it's no from MHFW and Covaxin manufacturer. On the other hand, WHO and Covishield manufacturers are saying that there is no enough data to say confirmed yes. And it's yes from FICO International and some of the doctors we have consulted. So guys, I'll recommend that please do consult your doctor and clear your all the doubts and then take a call whether you want to opt for the vaccination or not. Till then, please stay at home, stay safe and be positive. It's okay to smile, it's okay to laugh, and we will beat this situation very soon. Till then, wear the mask and take care.